In this tutorial, we will see how to create a card from scratch. Click on the badge creation icon and set the orientation of your card. Click on Finish. A blank card appears on the screen. Using the right-hand window, begin by selecting a background. Several options are presented. You can either choose one of the backgrounds available in the software, or you can import an image from your hard disk from the background window by selecting the folder containing your images. You can also add a background using the New Image tool. Click on the New Image icon and draw a field on the card. The File Explorer opens. Select the image and click on Open. The Image Editor opens. Click on Confirm. Finally, to set the image as the background image, right-click on the image and choose Set as Background. Using the left-hand toolbar, you can add a line, a shape, text, a barcode, or take a photo directly from the webcam. Here, we will add a geometric shape, a logo, a photo, and two text fields. First, we will add a geometric shape, for example, an hexagon. Draw a field on the screen using the Shape tool. By default, a black rectangle is drawn on the badge. To change the shape, click on the Shape window on the right of the screen. To draw an hexagon, we should choose a multi-sided geometric shape and set the number of sides to 6. We can change the color of the fill and the outline of the shape. Now let's add a logo. Click on the image icon in the toolbar on the left of the screen and draw a field on the card. Select an image and click Open. When the image editor opens, click Confirm. Repeat these steps for the cardholder photo. To add a text field, select the Text tool and draw the field on the card. Customize your text by double-clicking on it. Using the Properties window on the right of the screen, you can modify the font, color, size, and other parameters related to the text field. To link the badge features to a database, you need to have the Badge Studio Plus edition. For more information, watch the tutorial on using the database. Your badge is ready to be printed.